Today is our last night in Baguio City, and we are rocking whites and jeans for tonight's fancy date.
It's a fancy dinner date.
So here's the deal. We have been trash talking the Manor ever since we got here because medyo mahal nga siya, di ba? And so on and so forth. But we have to give credit where credit is due. Napakaganda naman kasi talaga ng Manor. I mean, it's very Instagrammable. I mean, we were there this morning to make the reservation for tonight. And really, the word for it is fancy.
It's so fancy.
Yeah,
If you
pero-
have the budget, you can be fancy.
Definitely. Pero since wala nga kaming budget, wala po siya talaga sa itinerary namin. But thanks to Tita Roda, who has been here hundreds of times. And her favorite hotel is the Manor kasi afford ni Tita Rods yan. So, so she gave us our dinner money. So thank you, Tita Rods. We're gonna see you guys sa the Manor. And hopefully, worth it yung pagkain because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be so expensive.
So fancy.
And expensive at the same time. Dali po sa tayo.